Oh no, it's 6:45 already.
6:45? That's early. Why are you whispering?
Because the kids are still asleep and we have a train to catch.
What time does the train leave?
9:15.
Okay, that's not terrible.
It is terrible if nobody's packed yet. Good morning, sleepy bears.
Is it a school day?
Nope. We're going to the mountains.
Mountains? With snow?
Yes. With cabins, lakes, and hot chocolate.
I'm awake.
Where are my socks?
On your bed.
These are not my socks. Those are Peter's socks.
Peter, where are your shoes?
I don't know.
Did you check under the couch?
Why are my shoes always under the couch?
Okay, everyone. Backpacks by the door.
I packed my comic books.
How many?
All of them.
You're not opening a library. Pick 2.
Fine. 3.
Mom, can I bring my binoculars?
For what?
To look for bears.
There will be no bears near us.
You don't know that?
David, did you pack the tickets?
Yes, on my phone.
And printed?
No, relax. Phones exist for a reason.
Phones also die.
Coffee?
Already brewing.
Mom, do mountains have Wi-Fi?
Sometimes.
What if they don't?
Then we talk to each other.
That sounds dangerous.
Taxi's here.
That was fast.
Miracles happen when you're late. Good morning. Train station, please.
You got it.
Mom, how long is the ride?
About 3 hours.
3 hours?
With snacks.
Oh, then it's fine.
Look, the station.
Wow, it's big.
And busy.
Okay, tickets out.
My phone is at 12%.
I told you.
Our seats are by the window.
I call window.
I called it first.
You call everything first.
Paper. I win.
You always win.
These seats are comfy.
It's starting.
We're moving. We are going fast. Mom, what will we do in the mountains?
Hiking, fishing, campfires.
Campfires with marshmallows.
I love mountains.
What if it rains?
Then we play board games.
What if it snows?
Then we play outside.
What if nothing happens?
Something always happens with this family.
Snack time.
These taste better on a train.
Everything tastes better on a train. I'm sleepy.
That's okay. Take a nap.
Waking me up from mountains.
Attention passengers, next stop Pine Lake. Please ensure you have all your belongings with you.
Everyone ready? We've arrived.
The air smells different.
Like trees.
And adventure.
Welcome to Pine Lake.
Thank you.
Look at that lake.
It's huge.
Here we are.
It's so cute.
It looks like a movie house.
Look at that mountain.
Wow, it is so big.
It is beautiful.
Take a deep breath.
The air is fresh.
I can smell the trees.
Let's take a walk.
Walk slowly, everyone.
The road is narrow. Stop for a moment.
Close your eyes.
I hear birds.
I hear the wind.
The mountain has many sounds.
The birds are singing.
It sounds nice.
Dad, look up.
I see birds in the sky.
They are flying. Mom, look at the flowers.
They are beautiful.
I see something moving.
What is it?
It is an ant.
There are many ants.
They are working together.
Ants are very busy.
They are carrying food.
They are strong. I'm tired.
Me too.
But happy tired.
No rushing, no alarms, just mountains. If you enjoyed this story, stay with us for the next chapter of our mountain adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as the journey continues.